So let's continue with the discussion of the chapter 1, Introduction to Java. So topics covered under this are computer tour, language history, problem solving, why programming, why white space matters, Java example, married couple names. So coming to the first topic is computer tour. Generally, computer consists of several components like input devices, storage, memory. Input and output devices are nothing but input device we can consider as keyboard or joystick, and coming to output devices we can consider as monitor. Storage, a disk store files and other data such as program files, movies or office documents. And coming to memory, RAM, random access memory, temporarily holds the data from storage and designed such that any address can be accessed much faster than a disk. And next is the processor. The processor runs the computer's programs, reading and executing instructions from memory, performing operations, and reading or writing data from R2 to the memory. When powered on, the processor starts executing the program whose first instruction is at memory location 0. Coming to the clock. Clock is nothing but like a processor's instruction execute at a rate governed by the processor's clock. So coming to the computer parts, hardware and software, we can see over here hardware parts are nothing but the CPU, monitor, keyboard, headphones, printer, joystick, motherboard, all the hardware parts. And coming to the software, we can see as Java language is considered as software, Android, iOS, PowerPoint, Excel, Word, etc. Coming to the language history, there is a huge development. Now the languages which we used are sophisticated. Like first in 1978, C was developed at AT&T Labs, and C is a functional and procedural language, which is one of the high-level language. Then later on, C++ has came into the picture, and then after C++, Java, which is an object-oriented language, came into the picture. In 1991, James Gosling and a team of engineers at Sun Microsystems began developing the Java language with the intent of creating a language whose executable could be ported to different processors. So Java is considered to be the portable language. Like we can write in any system, and we can run in any other different systems. It is an independent, like platform independent language. And while C and C++ are not portable for many reasons, and so applications where we use Java are the mobile phones, where we design applications like Android. And coming to the second application is point of scale system, where Java is also used in the creation of POS systems, which helps in the business exchange. And coming to the other application is the video games. And the next is several third-party trading applications use Java. And now the latest technologies like big data also uses Java. Coming to the next topic, problem solving. Problem solving generally described as a method to solve a problem for a given task. So it is a step-by-step procedures. There are mainly 4 steps involved in a problem solving. First is we have to understand the problem. Next is we have to create the step-by-step plan for it, like how to solve the problem, which is nothing but we consider it as an algorithm. And the next step is we have to carry out the plan and write the actual code. And the step 4 is like we have to look back the code which we have written, and possibly we have to refactor our solution and get an optimal solution for our approach. And the next step is we have to test the program on different set of instances. So coming to the problem solving stages, we can briefly describe as understanding the problem, brainstorming the problem, and applying the strategy, and then getting a solution.